That's right. Now, if you've gone outside and attempted to make a snowball, you may have struggled like I am. That's because the snow is so powdery, so dry. There is a very low water content with this snow. In fact, this is the kind of fluffiness that you would find in Colorado, not North Carolina. Now, the rough rule of thumb has always been for every inch of water, you get 10 inches of snow. Well, today snow is so dry that it would take 14 inches of snow to equal 1 inch of water. And it's been accumulating very quickly. In fact, with my trusty Channel 12 ruler, I can tell you that so far we have had close to 6 inches of snow outside our studios. And of course, Paul Delgado will be along in just a few minutes to tell us when all of this will go down the drain, Denise.
Thank you very much, Debbie.
At half the stations I called, spokesmen said they would be willing to inspect my car and pass it, even though I told them the catalytic converter had been removed.
The 1983 Miss North Carolina USA pageant. Let's see how some of our contestants enjoyed getting to know Winston-Salem. The preparations and rehearsals for the pageant may be hard work, but for the girls, it's a time of fun and friendship.
I had fun editing that, I understand.
We like those pictures, you better believe it.
She's quite a star.
Yes, she is. She's good. Debbie Severs is here for Steve Adamson, and it sounds like another cool one coming tomorrow.
Yes, heat not the problem here the next couple of days. Lack of rain is, but we do have a slight risk of rain in the forecast. In fact, better than slight, we'll call it modest. Yeah, that's the ticket, modest. Right now, cloudy.
Anything at all is going to be dumped on top of the snowfall amounts that are already there, and those amounts are incredible. Just take a look at the summary we have for you across the state. 9 inches on average across the Triad, even up to 8 inches in the Raleigh-Durham area. Boone, approximately 9 inches there, and the heaviest amounts are found in the southwestern mountains in North Carolina. Canton picking up 16 inches, Asheville 14 inches of snow. And since we expect no significant warming over the next 24 hours to 48 hours, the snow is still going to remain on the ground and remain with us through the weekend. And of course, I'll be along a little later with a look at radar. Warnings are in effect for most of North Carolina. And the snow started falling in Asheville shortly after midnight, and it has moved rapidly east across the state throughout the morning. And right now, Asheville reports almost 8